Come. You. Can I have my 2,000 rand back, please? My 2,000 rand I want back. My 2,000 rand I want back. The money that I gave now, 2,000 rand for this gentleman here. This lady here took 2,000 rand from my friend, somebody who works for me. Can I have my money back, please?
I don't know anything.
Okay, you don't know anything, but you took the money. Can I have 2,000 rand from you? Please give it to me now. Or else I'll put you on Facebook. Give it to me. Thank you very much. Fuck it. Yeah, you don't know anything about it. But yes, 2,000 rand that you took from my guy. Hey? How come you give me the 2,000 rand now? You guys are all taking bribes here. What kind of policeman are you? What, come over here. Let me put you all on video. Come. I can't stand you guys. Here's the 2,000 rand that she took. I've got the 2,000 rand in my hand. I don't like you guys being like that. Do you hear me? Say sorry. Why did you do it?
I'm very sorry.
Why did you do it?
Sorry.
You sorry? 2,000 rand from a man who works very hard. And you take his money. What kind of policeman are you? You're very sorry. I'm very sorry for the whole of bloody South Africa. And you're sitting here as well. What the hell are you? Why don't you get up and arrest that lady there?
No, I didn't know anything.
You didn't know anything? Arrest that lady then. Here's the money. Here is the money. No. Give me the 2,000 rand. I want the 2,000 rand. That money that woman, she says she's sorry about taking. I want her number. No, I'm not interested in talking. I want the money. No, stand back from me. Don't stand close to me. No, get away. Don't. This is a witness. Please stay away. I'm telling you right now.
We try to help you.
Don't worry. I'm sorry, get out of here.
So, this is the
Just get out of here. That is the
I'm
lady.
the senior.
I don't care who you are.
I'm going to solve this.
I'm leaving here. I'm leaving here. Goodbye.
What is the man?
Goodbye.
What is the man?
You give me the money. She's giving me the money.
Did she give you the money?
Yes.
What was the money for, sir?
Don't worry. We talked to her about it. Fine.
Okay.
Why don't you guys do your fucking job? Excuse me. Bye.
No, it wasn't.
Just goodbye.
No, let's talk.
Ngase ngikutshele khona mahhala ukuthi uphelile umsebenzi kulosisi. Ebhlungu lana ke into ezomehlela. Ngo 2,000 rand awuthathile. Uzoluza isalary engaphe kwa 10,000 ayitholayo. Uzoluza ama benefits anawo njengoba esebenzela istate. Nakho kubhlungu. Kungenzeka charge for corruption, extortion, and extortion. Kungenzeka charge. Kodwa uzolahlekelwa yikho konke ngenxa nje yegreed. Thatha 2,000 rand ngoba ukube lo muntu lo bese phutheni bekufuneka ambophe. Umsebenzi wakhe loyo ukuthi ambophe. Siphila kwi South Africa enjenake. Abantu kuyibona kufuneka bavikele abantu base South Africa benze sure ukuthi crime ayenzeki. Yibo kanye aba involved ku crime. Buhlungu lana ke le ndaba esikhuluma ngayo. Ngizocaphuna ivideo ka Darrell James naye futhi ubhala into ebuhlungu ukuthi amaphoyisa asebenzisana nabantu abashushumbisa idakamizwa, the drug dealers asebenzisana namaphoyisa. Ngithi ngena ku TikTok ngisithela lapha kwevideo njengoba ubona isithombe la ku screen sakho. Lana babhale khona ukuthi over 4 million yabantu aba over 35 years ba unemployed. Okubhlungu labantu abaqasheki. Ngoba umthetho wase South Africa uqasha abantu abana 18 ukuya ku 35. Umthetho ka ANC wala eSouth Africa osebenzayo. Ngaphamba nje sikhulume ngiyafisa sike silibheka kancane lolu daba. Abantu abana 35, 36 kusuka 36 years ukuya le funa baphile ngani, funa benzeni ngoba phela abaqashwa. Abantu efuneka baqashwa abana 18 ukuya ku 35. kufuneka kwenzakaleni ngabo. Mbuzo wami loyo. Yini efuneka yenzeke ngabo? Ngoba siyazi kuwonke ama-post avelayo kufuneka umuntu minimum requirement 18 to 35 years. Minimum requirement yokuqala ukuthi kuqhamuke kufika iy'kole ama-qualification nani kodwa 18 to 35. Uyakubona kodwa ukuthi kubalulekile ukuthi uma kufika umhla ka-4 kuNovemba nango-2029 ngedate abayisho bona kubalulekile ukuthi usukume uyovota. Ukuze kuphume lo hulumeni sifake abantu abazoguqula lo mthetho. Sifake abantu abazoyibona inkinga ukuthi nomuntu ona-36 years uyadeserve ukuthola umsebenzi uma engasebenzi. Kufanele lento sisu kumele simele ngenyawo. Kufana nalento ekuthiwa wena uma wakho nobaba wakho nogogo wakho uma ena-60, 65 years funeka aphume emsebenzini. Lapha ePhalamende bano-70. Kwele Mantashe uneminyaka emingaki? President Ramaphosa uneminyaka emingaki? Ngibala nje laba ababili angikababala abanye. Bese nalo mama lo uSisi Tolashe uyambona nje awuthi ngitshela uyambona ukuthi hambile iminyaka. Sidinga ukuvotela abantu abazofike baguqule lowo mthetho. Uma umthetho wezwe uthi aqashwe abantu abana-18 kuya ku-35 nasePhalamende sibona abantu abana-18 kuya ku-35. Uma umthetho uthi umuntu ona-60, 65 years akaretire nasePhalamende ngoba you can't be a lawmaker then when you don't follow the same law. Hayi lento ayiyenzi ayiwakho umqondo la kimi futhi angiyiyeke lento kodwa nje ngibonile ukuthi ngathi angazi noma i-organization noma yini ngimlalele kancane nje umnikazi wayo ngase ngithatha lesithombe ngoba ngifisa ukukhuluma ngayo lento. Ngiyabazi abantu aba-affected khona nawo abantu obaziyo abangaphe kwa-35 years abasawufuna umsebenzi kodwa amathemba amancane ngoba umthetho wase-South Africa uthi abantu bana-18 kuya ku-35. Shuthi kusuka kumuntu ona-36 umthetho awusamfavor. Khona noma kunjalo uyahlala futhi awuyi kuyovota noma kunjalo shuthi uyasijabulela lesimo ngoba ukuhlala ungathathi isinqumo nakho kukuthatha isinqumo. Ukuhlala nje usongizandla ungenzi lutho kukuthatha isinqumo. Isinqumo sithathile ukungenzi lutho ngoba uyemukela yonke into eyenzeka kuwe. Ngeke uyemukele into ongayijabuleli. Ngeke uyemukele into kodwa into onamandla ukuyiguqula noma ongaba nezaba lokuthi iguquke uzosukuma wenze ngakho konke okusemandleni. Ya bengithi nje asidlule kulolu daba ngifuna ukucapha uDarrell James la bese siyayivala ivideo.
Evening, everyone. Probably one of the most disturbing and frustrating evenings ever. Ek verstaan nou wat julle deurgaan when you say you call on SAPS and no one responds. I was out this evening after receiving a community tip-off to tell me, they're selling drugs at this property. I went out to verify where the property is, to make sure they are selling drugs, where they're standing, the entire operation. This was round about 5 o'clock. Mense is nou 8 o'clock. Ek wag nog steeds for a team to come out. Instead, I'm being told to please give a statement so that they can get a search warrant. I am a credible source informing SAPS that there's an active crime scene and I'm watching this go down. How do we encourage community to give information if this is the response I am getting? We always encourage community to come forward to send the tip-offs. The least they could have done this evening was to respond to an active crime scene. Hulle gaan maar nou nog aan om die drugs te verkoop. I'm standing in front of Guru SAPS this evening, and the reason why I'm not notifying the local SAPS because hierdie drughuis is maar 'n paar steps weg from the local SAPS. So I can tell you one thing, SAPS is aware of this drug house. I was waiting on the province to respond. But yes, it's clear that resources remains a challenge and I'm being sent from pillar to post. So die drugs gaan maar nou daar aan. By the time they get there, they'll no longer be selling drugs. They'll be selling blankets. This is the reality of the people on the Cape Flats. Very upset this evening.
Isimo lesibhekana nabantu base-South Africa nsuku zonke ingakho abanye bengasazihluphi nokureport crime ngoba uDarrell James as a member of parliament or serve kwi-police portfolio committee who hold the executive, the SAPS executive accountable abakwazanga attend. How about mina nawe-ke? We are ordinary people. Uthi kusuka ngo-5 sekuze u-8 wenza ivideo ngo-8 ngoba ethi hey lento ehlala ishiwo umphakathi sengiyayibona. Ngoba ukube ungenela njengoba ethi akangenanga la wenze ngamabomu. Ukube ungenela bebezobona i-member of parliament bese bam-attend yingakho ethi angifone fonela i-province ngibatshele nakho kwenzakalayo. Abazange ba-respond. Uma kuthiwa le ndawo ethengisa ama-drugs, it's few steps from a police station. Definitely amaphoyisa ayazi ukuthi ethengiswa ama-drugs lapha. Uyazi nawe ngakini, lokhu uyakwazi ngakini nje. Ayafika amaphoyisa azothatha kweshumi kuma-drug dealers angakini. Uyakwazi nawe lokho uyakwazi. So into esho uDarrell James ayikho intsha ayisithusi ngoba into esiyaziyo ukuthi yenzeka. Angibambe le video ngicela ukuze ukuphawula kwakho ngale kwalokho mnana wasidibana kwivideo landelayo ngiyabonga.